My name is Ronald Cetoute. I am originally from Miami, Florida, and I graduated from Florida A&M University. And I'm also the co-founder of the B.E.L Initiative. And the B.E.L Initiative is really focused on changing the economic landscape of Haiti. And the other co-founders are Joseph Max Veve, Sarah Joseph, and Stephanie Cetoute. The B.E.L Initiative is one of the programs under the Georgia Haitian-American Chamber of Commerce. It's an initiative that gives a group of entrepreneurs, university students, and community organizers, specifically from Haiti, the opportunity to come to the U.S. and hone their business skills, tweak their business plans, and connect with people who may be able to help them with the resources that they need to strengthen their business ideas or projects. The goal is for them to return to Haiti to implement their ideas and things that they've learned to create strong, sustainable businesses, which will in return create stronger communities and eventually a stronger Haiti. B.E.L was created out of the vision that myself and the team members had for Haiti. And this vision that I had is not specifically something exclusive for us. It's a vision that people in Haiti have for themselves and also the diaspora have for Haiti. And that vision is to create an economic powerhouse. So B.E.L is planting the seeds that are nurturing those businesses, which are strengthening the economy so that Haiti itself can become more sustainable and self-sufficient. Not only the communities, but eventually Haiti itself. There are several ways that you can invest in B.E.L Initiative and Haiti itself, because the B.E.L Initiative is to support Haiti. One of the ways is simply go to our website, click on the Invest and Donate button, and simply make a contribution through there. But if you want a more fun way to invest in the initiative, go to our B.E.L online store, the B.E.L shop, and you can purchase several different pieces of merchandise. This shirt is an example, one of my favorites that you can actually get. But if you don't like this one, there's several others, along with different other pieces of merchandise like mugs, pillows, pieces that you can purchase for everybody. The other ways that you can invest if you want to be more interactive is to come to our annual events that we have. So we have the B.E.L golf tournament that's coming up, and then also the Portion Leader Scholarship Banquet. Those are two key signature events under the Chamber that funds are collected and proceeds go directly to B.E.L participants and scholarships for Haitian students in the state of Georgia. And last but not least is to share this video and share everything that we have going on about B.E.L to the community and everybody around you. The more people know about the B.E.L Initiative, the more they are investing in it. You can also find more information about the B.E.L Initiative at belinitiative.com. Thank you for watching.